Okay, so this is gonna be my first YouTube video, and what the channel is gonna be about is gonna be mainly about stock trading and basically daily outlooks on the stock market. So the first thing what happened today, value stocks rallied and tech stocks sold off. And then I also looked at the personal savings rate on the trading economics indicator, and until we hit the pre-pandemic levels, we still have time, so we don't really need a stimulus right now, in my opinion. But yeah, that's that. Then stocks rallied in the pre-market, but sold off towards the end of the day because McConnell was talking about how President Trump wants a contested election and he might do something regarding that. And then just some macro level indicators, just watch out for the British pound for Brexit, the ruble for the oil, and the Japanese currency to see if investors are piling into safe haven stocks. And then outlook for tomorrow. So today was the biggest pre-market opening. We clipped to about 1700 in pre-market, and the Dow for a while also touched 30,000 points, but we closed up 800 points. I don't know why that says down. That should say up. And then the main reason for this was the PFU vaccine had a 90% success rate, which sent stocks roaring. And SPY is a biotech, and it's going to act like a biotech, and it's going to react to vaccine use because we all know what's going on in the world. And Rally was a clear winner today. Stay-at-home stocks and technology stocks were mainly down, and banks and hospitality stocks did amazing today. And then the date to watch out for, according to McConnell, is January 20th, 2020, because that's when Biden would officially be inaugurated. And until then, President Trump has time to contest the election and maybe bring it to the Supreme Court. Another thing is if we get a blue wave in the Senate, in my opinion, that's going to drop the stock market because Joe Biden's plan for higher taxes will become much more of a concern. But as of right now, the Senate is bipartisan, so it's not a blue wave, so we're pretty fine, and that's why the stock market is also roaring. Also due to Joe Biden's inflationary policy that people expect that he will put. The only play that I made today was a December AMD $110 call. And then the main play that I'll be looking at for tomorrow is a Beyond continuation play. Beyond died from the earnings, and a continuation play could be a possibility. A little trick is look for plays that have the least premium from the previous day. And if they're continuing in the direction, then you're most likely going to hit on the continuation play. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is my first video, so if there's anything wrong, I apologize. Thank you and have a great day.